Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download or install the Bank of America mobile banking app on your mobile phone. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now, open Play Store or App Store and in the search bar, search for Bank of America. And you can see the application here, Bank of America Mobile Banking. Click on the application, and over here, click on Install to download or install it. It might take some time to get downloaded, depending upon the internet speed. As you can see, the app has been downloaded. Click on the Open button to use this app. You can either click on Get Started or Login button to use this application. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.